And I have to get all over them. No, it's so funny.
I know we're watching.
Yeah, they're like,
See,
Now they're making a shit. They have
pay her like $50.
They're the sounds that they make are so funny.
Yeah, whatever it
It's
is.
so
it's
funny.
just Roxy's the one
Oh, is that Roxy making?
making the noise.
See,
Yeah.
ours will growl at like
But they'll try to hold each other down.
They're looking to see if we're still watching.
Yeah.
Every once in a while they look.
Yeah, they gotta make sure y'all are still watching before they
They're like
can do
making
this.
sure that I'm getting trouble. Roxy don't want to get in trouble.
Oh, okay, okay.
No, we're not telling. They're not telling us to stop yet. We're good.
They like stop for a second, they look around, they're like, all right, let's keep going.
Yeah, Roxy. And what Roxy was not working.
That is. Now, both of them girls.
Sound like a baby crying.
Yeah. How many square feet?
Hayden's dog will hump Dolly.
She will.
She's gonna be humping on Dolly, and I'm like, you're both girls. Leave her alone.
What? Well,
So funny.
I feel that run.
Don't bite her ear.
Are y'all getting all the furniture as well?
I want another one so bad. I love my dog. I want one so. I want one. Dolly is just the most precious thing. It'll just come over here, just lay right here, and flip over backwards. I mean, I would have to record.
I'm gonna
I
use
just
my
love
get
them.
home.
But no, not until after they are out and they get
I mean, they both got like different personalities, which is fun.
He, his lease is
Like,
the end
and
of
they
March.
both can be like
So
super
they're
sweet
thinking after the
in their
wedding
own
in
way.
October,
So,
I'm moving with him until March.
it's fun.
Your house, y'all's house is done. We're thinking
I got a
of
ball. I'm
waiting
waiting for your dad to get done.
for just a few months until we figure out what we want.
Yeah, Otis is
Because
easier
my
than Dolly
get home
is.
really won't come out. I won't be
So
able to
Roxy's
use it
easier
until
to hit.
Yeah.
22.
You don't, you know you don't have to wait until you're 25.
To do what?
You can apply for your VA home loan
You don't need
before.
to apply for it, but